Alright, so you made an awesome sculpture, but oh no! Your model is now 100 bajillion polys! No way I'm animating that! You can't work with this. What can you do? Now it's retopologizing to the rescue! Basically, you're going to use your sculpture as a base guide, and then add new polygons on top, and build a model that has proper topology for what you'll need. You can manually do this with a box or a plane in edit mode, or you can get add-ons like RetopoFlow that makes this fast and fun. With this, you can get around with being artistic and sculpting. Then build a cool 3D model using retopologizing. You're never limited with 3D modeling. There's always something to use in order to realize your creations.